adorable teachers, staff, all my dear friends and all known unknown personals. I, Uddesh Sonavne, on behalf of my team, welcome you all to the presentation. Before starting with it, I would like to introduce ourselves. We all are the students of Kekewag Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik, which is permanently affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, abbreviated as SPPU Pune. It has been awarded A grade by NAC, and 7 UG and 1 PG program of our institute are accredited by NBA. Now the project group. Myself, Master Uddesh Sonavne, with my teammates Miss Neha Sarnaik, Master Rohan Pawar, Miss Shreya Patil, all from Computer Department, and our B project is guided by Professor Miss Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor at Computer Department. Let's begin with our B project. Nowadays, everyone is conscious about personal health, but it has been extra consciousness that we want medication for every small health issue. In short, en route to drug addicts. To get rid of this addiction, people are searching for other solutions. The only solution to it is yoga. It is the easiest way to healthy life. But the big problem is yoga guru or trainer. For learning, many of us are unaware of scientific way to do yoga, as carelessness in doing yoga may lead to internal injuries. So it is must to learn yoga under the guidance of trainer. But the problem is still there. Money, place and time. That everyone can't afford tuition fees for yoga. Training place might be away from the residence and some can't adjust the time as per the practice session. This is the point where we got the motivation that we computer engineering students can make the things easy and decided to build a system that works like trainer for individual to learn yoga regardless of place and time, and which will be cost efficient. Hence the title of our B project, Assistive System for Yoga, that yoga assistance for everyone on any time, at everywhere and in budget. That's all by my side. I would like to request Ms. Shreya Patil to continue with the further presentation. Thank you.
Hardware and software use. Hardware. Laptop or PC and camera are used to capture the images of user while performing the yoga asana. And software. Notepad++ software is used for writing the code. Objectives of our projects are to aid in learning yoga without physical availability of a trainer, to avoid the harm caused due to just watching videos and performing the yoga without any analysis, to provide a digital solution so as to avoid expenses spent on the trainer. This is block diagram of our entire system. In this, input to our system is text file and image file. Text file contains the yoga asanas names that user would like to perform, and image file contains the pictures of asanas. Then there are two options for a user. User can either learn yoga or practice the yoga asana. In Learn Yoga module, user get the step-by-step instructions in textual format as well as in video format. So from that, user get a proper idea about the asana. In Practice Yoga module, the user has to actually perform the yoga asana, and system will capture the images of user while performing the yoga. Then key points of the captured image is generated using the PoseNet technology. This key points generated image is compared with the database skeleton image using the cosine similarity algorithm. According to that, score would be generated out of 100, so that user get the idea of how accurately he or she is performing the yoga asana. Now we will see the main methodologies of our project. First one is Learn Yoga. In this module, user get the step-by-step instruction in textual format as well as video is provided, so that User get the brief idea about particular posture. Second is practice yoga. In this module, user actually perform the yoga. Then system will capture the images of user while performing the yoga. Then key points of the user posture is created using PoseNet technique. This generated skeleton image is compared with the database image using cosine similarity algorithm, and then according to that score would be generated.
This is our website, Yoga Assistant. Click here on watch video. The video is about what are the benefits of yoga.
You can't go online to buy a pastel yoga mat. There are plenty. For example, Oxford University found that people who practice yoga even once a week were less stressed out, had lower blood pressure, and slept better at night. And yoga is not just good for...
After scrolling down, information is provided on why to perform yoga, and also some more information on yoga is provided here. After clicking on Get Started and then selecting Yoga for Heart, this page will appear. We have restricted our scope to yoga poses for heart. These yoga poses are beneficial for heart patients and also for people who want to keep their heart healthy. We have implemented 8 yoga poses. They are mountain pose, tree pose, bound angle pose, warrior 2 pose, chair pose, happy baby pose, lotus pose, and easy pose. If I want to perform mountain pose, I will click here on mountain pose. This page will appear where step-by-step instructions are provided on how to perform this particular pose. Also, video is provided so that after watching this video, user will get a brief understanding on how to perform this particular pose.
Tadasana is a foundational pose in yoga. It teaches you to align your spine and to balance your neutral pelvis while exaggerate 2 common imbalances. Lift no height by moderately engaging your shoulder blade entire body.
After learning the pose, user can practice the pose. To practice the pose, click on this practice button. This will appear. We need to give access to camera, so click allow, and after that we need to map to this pose shown on the screen. Timer is provided of 15 seconds. After that, score will be displayed. Here I have performed the pose correctly, so score is 100. In this project we have used 2 algorithms. One is PoseNet, which is used for pose estimation, and another is cosine similarity, which is used for comparison. So what is PoseNet? PoseNet is a vision model that can be used to estimate the pose of a person in an image or video by estimating where the key body joints are. So as shown here, PoseNet is used for key point creation, in which is used for creating a skeleton in which 17 key points are written, and those 17 key points are nose, left eye, left ear, right ear, all shown here. PoseNet returns an array which consists of 17 key points, and each key points is associated with position and score as shown over here. So we have maintained 2 arrays. One for image to which user is mapping for reference, and another array we have maintained in which key points of the yoga image done by user is there. So these both arrays are compared using cosine similarity. Based on it, score is displayed out of 100. So if score is 100, then user has performed the yoga pose correctly.
Application is as a personal yoga trainer, and conclusion is solution over many problems faced like unavailability of trainer, wastage of money. One can easily learn yoga asanas by mapping to image, and there is no wastage of money and no need of a personal trainer. So the future scope is poses can be added for different uses and for different body part pain relief. Here we have implemented poses for healthy heart and for heart patients. Multi-user system can be implemented. These are some references. So hope we are able to explain the functionalities of our system, and looking forward to your valuable comments that will help us improve on our system. So do like and comment. Thanks for watching.